This puppy is $72. Wow. The next thing is from, see, BOXYLUXE, you were doing so good. So good. So in today's video, we have our BOXYLUXE for March 2022. This puppy is heavy. This is a seasonal box, so we get this every 3 months, and it let me look it up. I forgot how much. I know they increased it, but let me see how much it is. I don't know what's going on with my phone, but it ain't working, so I don't know. I believe it's like, or they raised it to like $59, almost $60, I believe. If I'm wrong, I'll leave it in my description box. Anywho, if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the price, then keep on watching. All right, so when you open her up, this is what she looks like. Here's the card. So does it have a theme? I think it's just like Spring Luxe now, 2022. And here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, and I like to tease a little bit. Alrighty, so on the back here tells you everything that you got, gives you a little description, and gives the prices. And how many things did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. Okay, just throw that down.
Lazy, Anne. Lazy.
She's so lazy,
Hey.
I don't get it.
The first thing that I'm seeing is from Frank Body. This is the Sculpting Body Hydrator. What in the world? The packaging looks cute. Let's see, what you be? What are you? This is $19.95. I noticed these prices because this was in another box. Aren't expensive, which is great. This is a sculpting moisturizer for smooth and hydrating skin, packed with caffeine to firm your favorite asset. Okay, all right, let's open her up. I think the packaging looks so cute. Oh my God, it looks like a little coffee. Now this is adorable. It says butt first coffee. Get it? Butt, B-U-T-T. Oh, that's so cute. I mean, look at that. Look at the packaging. What? Okay, so it has a little safety seal. We like them. And it's not filled all the way to the top because you see it has that. Let's see. Yeah, almost. It's very thick. All right, so let's see. Yeah, that's very thick. I mean, I don't know if you can tell. Has a little scent to it that smells okay. I mean, it's all right. What is that scent that smells? I can't think of the scent. It's like a scent that I just can't, I don't know. It feels a little greasy. You can see that on my hands. So this is great for your legs, your butt, what have you, you know. Anywhere dry, I would definitely not put this on your face. Let's see. Maybe it's the coffee. I'm not sure, but I think it's so cute. Like, I am really, you guys know I'm like, oh my God, we're always getting skincare. But I'm actually happy to get that just because of the packaging. Oh, that's adorable. Okay. Oh, there's something in here I'm very excited for. Okay, the next thing says Stay Calm. This is Soothing Sheet Mask. Aloe infused. This would be good for the summertime, like if you had sunburn or something like that. All right, let's see what this is. This is from Give Them Lala Skin. It's a Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Mask. It's a new launch, and it's $30. That's expensive. How many you get? Doesn't say. Let's open her up and see how many you get for $30. Wow. My hands are so slippery because this, I don't know, like after a while, once it like soaks in your skin, but you ever have a lotion that you put on and it feels like that? You got to kind of like put water and wash the palms of your hands off. That's what it feels like. I wish I would have opened that last, you know? Like, this is definitely good to put on at nighttime when you're going to bed, you know? All right, so let's see how many you get. You get quite a few. Wait, you get 4. So 4 masks for $30. All right. Like I said, this was going to be good for like when it starts getting summertime and you get sunburn or something like that. I don't care for sheet masks. I used to love them, but I'll keep these aside like if I do get sunburn or something, you know? So they will be used. This, I got to show you, is what I'm excited about because I want to see it. It's a Natasha Denona palette. So this is the Cupid eyeshadow palette. I think they just came out with this like for February or Valentine's Day, right?
No.
It's the $48 one. So these are the big pans. I always say, if you want to try Natasha Denona, get the smaller ones that are $25 because even with the small ones, you're never going to go through it, you know? So, oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. I'll open it up so you can see it. Let's see. It's a Boxy exclusive. Oh, okay. So this isn't the one. For some reason, I was thinking this is the one that Sephora had for Valentine's Day, right? But it's not. If it's an exclusive one, that means they made this just for Boxycharm. I wish this was a little bit darker, so like if you want to deepen up your eyes, but I mean, it's a pretty palette. Let me wipe my hands off so that I can get that lotion off and I can swatch. All right, let's do some swatches. I know when we got the Peak palette, the formula was a little bit different than usual. I still liked it, but it wasn't like the Natasha Denona formula. Okay, so that's the 3 mattes. Oh, these are nice though. That's nice. It's a little patchy, but I'm sure it's buildable. Let's see. Like they feel very, oh my God, yes. Yeah, look at that. That's just going in another time. Look how buildable that is. That's great. I mean, look. Okay, so let's do the 2 shimmer shades. Oh, they're beautiful. Wow, that's just going in one time. Let's go in with this one again because, you know, kind of goes with my skin tone, but that's just, look at that, guys. That's gorgeous. I'm really happy to get that. And I'm glad it's like an exclusive, you know? Okay, we got that. The next thing is from, see, BOXYLUXE, you were doing so good. So good. Complex Culture. This is an Ipsy brand. It's a sister company to Ipsy. This is what makes me mad.
Uh-oh.
I know since Ipsy bought Boxycharm, but I say this all the time, please keep Ipsy products with Ipsy and Boxycharm stuff with Boxycharm because it's like, why do you want to get both now?
And mic drop.
This is the Daily Blue Light Defense Mist. I know a lot of people say stuff about the blue light, that it doesn't really work. It does. I have no idea. All right, how much is this? $32. And what is it? It's a moisturize, set, and protect all-in-one step with multitasking blue light defense mist. I'm not going to keep reading all of it, but you know. Okay, so I don't know why I would think it was going to be blue. It looks like gray or green. I think it's just the bottle. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Let's see how it sprays. Has a nice scent, so there's definitely fragrance or something in there, you know, so if you're sensitive, but it does spray nice. All right, so we have that. I'm not going to keep going on a rant. You guys already know how I feel. The next thing is from Juice Beauty. I've tried this before. This is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. This is really good. I've tried this, and I am glad to get this. It works. It works. I was going to get my money glasses on, but I already know she's expensive. But we're just getting on just, you know, to be funny. This puppy is $72. Wow. I already knew she was going to be expensive because, like I said, I've tried it before, you know, but, you know. Come on. Yeah, I already tried like the neck serum, the face serum. I love how it has a little pump. I mean, like I said, I've tried it before and I do like it. So I will use this again. But right now, so far, the only makeup we got was the Natasha Denona palette. The next thing is from Dry Bar. This is called Liquid Glass. What you be? Miracle Soothing Sealant. Let's see. This is $34. It says, meet the ultimate frizz fighter. Heat activated technology wraps an invisible shield around each hair strand to provide frizz resistance. Leave a super glossy, silky finish without weighing hair down. Lasts through 3 washes, protects and heats. up to 450 degrees. Okay, let's see. Oh, it has a nice smell. Let's just spray. We'll see. Did it make a difference? I don't know. Oh, it smells actually it smells really, really good. That smells amazing. All right, 2 more items. The next thing is from Ren Clean Skincare. This is eye cream. I always tell you, like anything for the eyes. And this is, where are you? $49. I wasn't sure if that was 8 or 9. $49. It's a Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Now, we get a lot of eye creams, but what I like is that at least this is something different. It's not the same thing, but holy crap is she tiny. And right here, there's nothing here, so it's just from here to here. Like, don't let the packaging fool you. But I like the fact it's a pump, and you can see where it will go, up, you know, up, 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 so you get everything out of it. So, let's do a little swatch. Where am I going to do it at? We'll do it right here. Let me just want to see what if it's thick, thin. All right, so that's what she looks like, and it's like thin. I wish eye creams, especially at nighttime, was a little thicker for my liking, but this is really good for daytime, so I'm glad that I have that, because I'll definitely use it. Like, this is good like before you put your makeup on, you know, it's not too thick, you know what I'm saying? All right, so we have that. And last but not least, thank you Lord, I think this is a lipstick. This is Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Soothing Gloss for $25. It's a new brand to Boxy. And it's in the shade Rosy Outlook. Okay. So we got 2 makeup products. All right, so that's what it looks like. Forget the filler. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that. Look how it looks. That's too funny. I wonder, oh, I got it right on my nose, if it's like stingy. Let me see if it says what's in there. It has to be like stingy or something to plump it up, because it says fewer lip lines and all that. And I don't have my glasses up here, but I can't read what it says. All right, I got variation 402. Holy cow. I got this in the beginning of the month. There's already 402 variations. What? Okay, so let's recap everything that I got, and then I'll tell you my thoughts and opinions. So we got the lip plumper thing, which I'm glad to get. So that was the makeup item, and then we got the Natasha Denona palette. Okay, so that's the second makeup item. Then we got an eye cream. We got this Juice Beauty for your face. I really like it, especially they have a neck one too. That's really good. So we got that. We have this Blue Light Ipsy Brand mist. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is probably the most exciting thing I am. That and then the palette, but oh, it's just so cute. So I'm happy to get that. We got these sheet masks, the aloe one. What else? What else? What else? Is that everything?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, we got this for your hair. It smells amazing. I don't see a difference yet, but it smells amazing. I guess I don't know. I guess you have to use it for heat, and then maybe the shine will come through. It smells really good. What else? I'm missing one more product.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, I got all 8 things. Okay. So, if I had to rate this on a scale 1 to 5, 1 being I want to throw it away, and 5 being I'm doing cartwheels, probably a 2, 2.5, because it's all skincare again. The Natasha Denona, yes, I love it. Oh my God, and she's beautiful. Let's just be real, okay? The other makeup product we got was a lip plump. You know, it's something that I probably would use around the house or something, or maybe like when I'm doing a video, like I get ready with me, I'll have it on my lips or something. I don't know. And the rest is all skincare. I don't know how I feel. BOXYLUXE in the very beginning used to be all makeup, just about, right? Then it turned into like a skincare and makeup. Then like a lifestyle box. And now it's like basically skincare. You know, I don't know what's going on. Let me know what you think. Would this be a box you would like? Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of BOXYLUXE. I mean, I'm glad it's every 3 months. Let's just be real. I really am. All right, guys, please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. Also, leave a comment. Commenting helps me as well. Let me know what you think of BOXYLUXE. Do you get BOXYLUXE? Let me know how your day is going. Leave an emoji. Don't forget to turn your post notification bell on. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. I did film this makeup look, so turn it on in case you're interested. It's all Makeup Geek products. All right, guys, that's everything. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I don't know. Maybe I'm just too picky, or maybe subscription boxes aren't for me anymore. I don't know. But I'm like Negative Nancy now. Every BoxyCharm video.